We have two ways in Levantine dialect to say if. The first is a. Here there is a chance for things to happen. The second, لو. Here you lost your chance. We will see each one of them, how to use each one of them with a lot of examples. And then I will do a comparison so you will understand when and how to use each one of them. Yalla, let's start. We will start with إذا. إذا gives the meaning if something happened or will happen, something else can happen. So in Levantine dialect, we could use any tense after إذا from past to future, but the tense that we are using will change slightly the meaning of the sentence and how we use it. So if you use any one of the common verbs like if you can, if you want, if you have, after إذا, here you are asking for a favor or you are asking for permission or you are giving permission. For example, if you want, you could go. إذا بدك فيك تروح. إذا if بدك you want فيك تروح you can go. If you are talking to a woman, you will say إذا بدك. Or if you want to say إذا معك وقت خلينا نحكي. If you have time, let's talk. إذا معك if you have وقت time خلينا نحكي let's talk. إذا بدك فيك تروح إذا معك وقت خلينا نحكي. In Levantine dialect, after إذا we could use the past tense but we still referring to present or future. So if you want to say if I have time I will go to the bank. إذا صار معي وقت رح روح على البنك. إذا صار معي وقت if I have time. But what you are saying literally in Arabic, if I had time. So you are using the past صار in the past, but you are thinking and referring for the near future or the future during your day. إذا صار معي وقت, and then the second part of your sentence you could use present simple and say بمر على البنك, or you could use future and say رح مر على البنك. There's no big difference here, but just when you are using the future, it is more emphasizing. So إذا صار معي وقت رح مر على البنك. إذا صار معي وقت بمر على البنك. Another example. If I arrive early, I will help you with the preparation. In Arabic, you could say إذا وصلت بكير بساعدك بالتحضير. إذا وصلت if I arrive. Here, literally in Arabic, you are saying if I arrived, but still for the future. بساعدك بالتحضير, I will help you with the preparation. بساعدك is present tense, I help. But it is also here referring to the future, will help you. You could use also the future and say رح ساعدك بالتحضير. But here when you are using the future, you are just giving more emphasizing on that, yes, I will help you. إذا وصلت بكير بساعدك بالتحضير. إذا وصلت بكير رح ساعدك بالتحضير. If you use future after إذا and you are talking about yourself, here you are giving the impression that the possibility for things to happen is low. So if you would say, if I'm coming, I will bring juice with me. إذا رح أجي بجيب معي عصير. إذا رح أجي if I'm coming. But literally in Arabic you are saying if I will come بجيب معي عصير, I will bring with me juice. Here you are using present simple. بجيب معي عصير with me juice. You could also say رح جيب معي عصير. That's not a big difference. But here you are giving the impression that, okay, I'm not quite sure that I'm coming, but if that happens, I will bring juice. إذا رح أجي بجيب معي عصير. If you are going to stay up, let's watch a movie. إذا رح تسهر خلينا نشوف فيلم. إذا رح تسهر if you are going to stay up. خلينا نشوف فيلم, let's see a movie. Here you are asking the person to decide or what's the possibility that they think it would happen. Or you could just say, if you are going to come, bring juice with you. إذا رح تجي جيب معك عصير. إذا رح تجي if you are going to come. جيب معك عصير bring juice with you. إذا رح تسهر خلينا نشوف فيلم. إذا رح تجي جيب معك عصير. If we are using present continuous after إذا, now we mean now. So, if you are working, I will talk to you another time. إذا عم تشتغل بحاكيك مرة تانية. إذا عم تشتغل if you are working right now. بحاكيك مرة تانية I would talk to you another time. Notice here in Arabic we are still using present simple. You could also use لحاكيك مرة تانية. I will talk to you another time. إذا عم تشتغل بحاكيك مرة تانية. If you are in pain, I could give you a painkiller. إذا عم تتوجع بعطيك مسكن. إذا عم تتوجع if you are in pain right now. بعطيك مسكن I will give you a painkiller. إذا عم تشتغل بحاكيك مرة تانية. إذا عم تتوجع بعطيك مسكن. When we use present simple after إذا, here we are asking for information. So, if you like Syrian food, I will invite you to dinner. إذا بتحب الأكل السوري بعزمك على العشاء. إذا بتحب if you like. Here in general it's information. If you like Syrian food. إذا بتحب الأكل السوري بعزمك على العشاء. I will invite you for dinner. Or you could just say رح أعزمك على العشاء. I will invite you to dinner, and this is to emphasize when you are using the future. إذا بتحب الأكل السوري بعزمك على العشاء. Or you could say if you eat fish, let's go to this restaurant. إذا بتاكل سمك خلينا نروح على هذا المطعم. إذا بتاكل if you eat in general. إذا بتاكل سمك in general if you eat fish. إذا بتاكل سمك خلينا نروح على هذا المطعم. Let's go to this restaurant. Or you could ask someone if you speak Arabic, you could apply to this company. إذا بتحكي عربي فيك تقدم على هاي الشركة. إذا بتحكي عربي if you speak Arabic. Here in general if you speak Arabic فيك تقدم على هاي الشركة. You could apply to this company. إذا بتحكي عربي فيك تقدم لهي الشركة. إذا بتاكل سمك خلينا ناكل بهذا المطعم. إذا بتحب الأكل السوري بعزمك على العشاء. Try to use what we said today in different examples and I will correct them for you. If you liked today's video, give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more grammatical lessons, you could check them over here. If you want to see more phrases, you could check them over there. See you there. Yalla bye.